How to use humidifiers for eczema without a stuffy room. Are you wondering how to use humidifiers effectively for eczema without making your room feel stuffy? You are not alone. Many people with eczema struggle with dry skin, and humidifiers can be a great help. Let's talk about how to use them wisely. First, maintaining the right humidity level is key. Aim for indoor humidity between 40% and 60%. This range helps hydrate your skin without making the air feel damp or uncomfortable. Too much humidity can lead to mold or dust mites, which can worsen eczema. Next, consider the size of your humidifier. Choose one that fits your room size. For rooms up to 300 square feet, a small unit works well. For rooms between 300 and 500 square feet, a medium humidifier is best. If your space is larger than 500 square feet, go for a large humidifier. Using the right size prevents overhumidification and keeps the air fresh. Using a humidistat or hygrometer is also a smart move. These devices measure humidity levels and can automatically turn off the humidifier when the desired level is reached. This helps avoid excess moisture that can lead to stuffiness. Make sure to ventilate your room regularly. Open windows or doors from time to let fresh air in. This simple step helps prevent stale air and reduces the risk of mold or bacteria growth. Cleaning your humidifier is essential too. Regularly disinfect it to prevent mold and bacteria buildup. Contaminants can worsen eczema symptoms, so keeping it clean is a must. When filling your humidifier, use distilled or filtered water. Tap water can have minerals that create white dust or promote microbial growth. Using distilled water keeps the air cleaner and healthier for your skin. Run the humidifier mainly when you are in the room. This means using it during sleep or work hours. This way, you maintain comfort without unnecessarily humidifying empty spaces. Lastly, consider using ultrasonic humidifiers. They are quieter and often produce a fine mist that spreads evenly. This reduces the chance of localized dampness or stuffiness, making your environment more comfortable. By following these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of a humidifier while keeping your space fresh and comfortable. This balance can help support your skin and minimize eczema flare-ups.